Yeah, presentation is pen top computers. These are the various contents. Today we'll discuss about it. Here introduction. Day to day the technology is advancing. Due to advancements in the technology, the computers get your hands on different shapes with a small size like laptops, notebook, PDA, palm top, wristwatch computer, software computer. Above all, yesterday and today are computers. What is the contour of PC in future is? The answer is pen computer. Intention behind developing pen computers. The main intention in developing pen computers are in order to transform our technological landscape by reshaping the heavy and bulky desktop computer into a lightweight, portable device that is accessible to every user at any time. A pen computer is a computing device, small and light enough to take anywhere without discomfort. So what is pen computer? PISN is a gadget package including 5 functions: a pen style cellular phone with a handwriting data input function, virtual keyboard, a very small projector, camera scanner, and a personal ID key with a cashless pass function. So the role of 5 pens in a pen computer. The design concept uses 5 different pens to make a computer. One pen is a CPU, another a camera, one creates a virtual keyboard, another projects the visual output and thus the display, and another a communicator. So these are the various things available here. Just observe, go through it. Okay. The technology involved in keyboard and projector keyboard. Projecting an image is one thing, but knowing when a key has been pressed is essential to the design. When a finger passes through a particular letter, the laser light is reflected back toward the unit for detection. Next, LED projector. One pen is based on a technology called laser projection. In this technology, a laser-based light source is used as illuminator for a micro display that acts as a transparent dynamic sight generating the image to be projected. This light is then magnified through a projection lens and is projected on a screen or wall. Pentop computer. The Pentop computer includes a scanner, a memory cartridge, a speaker, a special ink, a flywood application software, a fly paper, that is digital paper. Key terms: digitization. Digital paper, also known as interactive paper, is pattern paper used in conjunction with a digital pen to create handwritten digital documents. Next, upload and download. By extension, to upload is to send data to a remote system, FTP server or website. For instance, upload a video to YouTube. Its primary usage is as a verb. To download is to receive data from a remote or central system, such as a web server, FTP server, mail server, or other similar systems. A download is any file that is offered for downloading or that has been downloaded. How Fly Fusion works. Here, use a Fly Fusion notebook to capture your notes and get step-by-step help solving homework problems. Then customize your Fly Fusion Penta computer by using the Fly World application to download and manage the software that you need. Next, convert handwritten essays to digital text or write an email with pen and paper. Find important class notes using the keyword search feature. Applications performed by Pentop. Blast through your math homework. Write essays, write essays with power speed. Spell check handwritten work with powerful editing tools. Upload, share, search and edit notes. Backup your notebook. Search notes and edit essays on your PC. Download and listen to your MP3 or create your own music. Get translations in a snap. So download and listen to your MP3 or create your own music. An example of one of these features is a removable top that allows the user to put several different colored plastic plates over the Power button. The writing pen itself is a retractable, comes in and out with a flip of a switch located on top of the pen. At the tip of the pen, there is a place to put game or application cartridges to enable even more feature. Conclusion: a pen computer is a computing device, small and light enough to take anywhere without discomfort. As it is yet to be developed, we doesn't know disadvantage until we can use it. Fly is a pen-top computer, which is a type of pen with a computer inside. The pen uses digital paper. The pen-top computer is one that responds instantly to everything that you write on special fly paper, capture your ideas for upload, delivers homework help as you write, helping you master your homework faster. Thank you.